Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two expense software for your business, which is RefreshMe and Expensify. Let's get started. RefreshMe is tailored for individual and families aiming to manage personal finances effectively. It offers features like automated reconciliation, AI-driven budgeting assistance, and privacy management tools. Pricing start at $12 per users per month, with a plan for couple at $22 and a families at $32. All include a free trial. While RefreshMe excel in personal financial management, it lacks business-specific functionalities such as invoicing and a multi-user collaboration, limiting its suitability for business accounting needs. And talking about Expensify on the other side is conceptually designed for business seeking a comprehensive expensive management solution. It provides features like a smart scan receipt, capture corporate, and a card reconciliation with advanced approval workflow and integration with an accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. They also collect a plan start at $5 per user per month and offering a cost-effective solution for businesses of various sizes. Expensify is a robust functionalities which make it ideal for business expense tracking and management, though it may be more complex than necessary for individual focusing on solo on personal finances. So ultimately, the choice between RefreshMe and Expensify in 25 depends on your specific needs. So choose RefreshMe for personal financial or finance management and Expensify for business expense tracking. So that's it.